Like I told earlier on my YouTube channel, I like gardening, and at the moment I'm drying in my dry machine bell peppers, point bell peppers. I hope that's the right word. In Dutch we call it puntpaprika, but anyway, I bought this in April approximately 2022, and I think it's a cheap device that works very good. I have already dried these bell peppers, and here you see the result. It works very good, for instance in soups and sauces, etc, etc. So perhaps it's interesting to show how it all works. At the moment it's 500 grams of this bell pepper, and there are trays inside made of steel, and I have my purpose tested different, say, ways of sliding the pepper to see what is the best method to dry them as quickly as possible anyway. And I'm also at the moment testing how much energy it will cost to dry 500 grams of this bell pepper with the help of this kilowatt meter. The machine only sometimes switches on. You hear that click. Now the heating element is activated, but the ventilator always works constantly, and the ventilator does not take so much current, but of course the heating element takes current, and there must be in a certain way a kind of economic relation between the cost of electricity that the drying needs and the end product. But on the other hand, I found that this bell pepper, when you dry it yourself, the taste is much better, and you can use it very easily in sauces, etc. and in soup. Also a very good product to make a good soup. Anyway, thanks for watching.